Hey guys, welcome back to Nina's Network, and today we are going to meet my animals. Right now I'm walking in the yard, and the first animal we are going to meet is my beautiful pony, Sparky. What are you doing? He's burping. Sparky is so cute. He's so beautiful, so cute. Ugh. Hey! Hey! What are you? He just stuck his head through the fence. He stuck his head through the fence. Oh! This Chief. Say hi to Nina's Network. He said hi. He's big. Yeah, he's showing off his size. Okay, bye. Oh, he just bumped into Sparky. That was rude. Don't you walk away. That was rude, huh? That was rude. Sometimes Chiefy's rude, huh? Okay, goodbye. There's another horse, Midnight. But Midnight is nowhere to be found in the barnyard. Now we're gonna go see these chickens. Now these chickens hate me. They're not very nice. This is Jon Snow. Oh, yeah. Oh boy. That is Lord Bronn. Yep. So, what did you just say to my face? What did you just say to my face? See, they don't like me. I'm pretty sure they really hate me. But it's okay. Look it. He's big in size, guys. He's super big. But they like me, so open the gate. That's Ramsey and his girlfriend. I don't know, somebody. There should be somebody else in here. Should be another one. She could be in there. Nina's Network fans. Is she in there? No? No, she. That's Midnight. There he is. Oh! Say hi to Nina's Network. Hi. Can you hear the birds? Oh. There go the roosters. Yeah. Midnight's new here, so. What are you guys doing? Just sitting there? Okay. They don't let me pick them up. See, they're already running. Come here. Hey, where are you going? Stop running away from me. See, they're weird. Oh no! Oh no! Chicken fight! Oh! Whoa, where are they going? What is happening? What just happened? That's Beatrix, the goose. She wants my Twinkie. No, you can't have my Twinkie. That's Brienne Jr., as in Brienne of Tarth, Jr. The real Brienne of Tarth is all the way over there, being a coward. He got kicked out of the flock a long time ago. So that's Junior. What are you looking at? This beautiful hen is Roadrunner. This is Roadrunner. She is very, very old. Like, when I was 2 years old, she was still around. She also wants my No, you can't have my Twinkie! No! Come get out of the electric fence pasture. Come here, buddy. Oh, yeah, you can do it. You can do it. Come here, buddy. Come on. Come on, you can do it. Come on, it's all right. Oh, come on.
6 hours later.
Come on. Come on, you can do it. Come on, it's all right. Oh, come on. Just dunk under it. Hanging out in here where we keep all the wood. Hi. Hi. Where are you going? This is Lucky. She's been alive longer than I have. Like way. She was here before I was even born. Uh-huh. She's an old kitty. An old kitty. Yeah. Yes, you are. Ugh. Yeah, you are. You're so black. She's very hot. Okay? Like hot. Like in the sun hot. Ugh. You're so hot, you poor thing. Oh. Oh, yes. Oh, yes, yes. Yes. Can we see your beautiful eyes? No? This is Fletcher, the dog. Fletcher. Fletcher. Oh, he's got his hot dog. He's got his hot dog. Hot diggity dog. Mm-hmm. Oh, okay. What are you doing with your hot dog? He's a mix of a poodle and a Dalmatian. A Dalmadoodle. He's adorable, okay? I seriously don't know what he's doing with that darn hot dog. This is Mia. We call her Mama Mia because she had a litter of kittens last year. Where are you going? Oh, look at her. Mama Mia. And we kept one of the kittens. So, and the father and the mother and the kitten are still all together, but 2 kittens got adopted. And she still drinks milk. So it's crazy. Mamma Mia! Isn't that a movie? That's definitely a movie. I don't know. Is that? I really don't know. So this is the father. His name is Otis. Little bag of oats. And that's the baby, Haru, which I named after the Hayao Miyazaki Japanese film, The Cat Returns. So she's got a famous name. Otis, he's scared of the vacuum. Once he sees the vacuum, he's out of here. He's so soft though, guys. He's like touching a legit cloud, okay? He's so cute. And Haru, she's like right in the middle of Otis and Mia. She is so darn cute. Look at that face, okay? Look at how cute that face is. Haru. Come here, kitty. No? Okay, I'll just walk over. I don't want to scare Otis because he gets scared very easily. Oh, she's so soft, guys. Look at her. Look at her fluffy neck. She also has double paws, which means she's got a little tiny orange thumb. Oh, see what I mean? Come on, Brienne. Come on, before the horses come. Come on. Come on. You don't want the horses to get you. Come on, you can do it.
2 hours later.
You're a big boy. Put on your big boy pants. Come on. Come on, don't make me open the gate. Come on. Oh, for crying out loud. Oh, Chief, please don't go doo-doo, okay? Would you guys like to help me find a missing chicken? I've got one missing hen that I would like to find. Let's go find. We let her out of her cage because the other roosters terrorized her. And it's not funny, guys. Some roosters just do that. So she doesn't like to come out, and we let her out, and I can't find her. So I'm just going to try to... She's on top of the radio / stereo or whatever. What are you doing up there? With all the paintings that's falling over? Huh? Her name is Lil Blackie. Little Blackie. Sounds like a LOL name, right? And she gave all the roosters that hate me life. Why did you have to raise them like devils? Yeah, she just heard me. And she's the wife of Brienne of Tarth. Seriously, how did she get up there? She has to go, like, jump on the freezer and jump on the floor all the way to get up there. What the heck are you even doing up there? Whoa, okay. She's safe in her cage. Back safe. Hi. Can you hiss? You know gooses hiss? She did that a lot when she was just a chick. She hissed a lot. She was like... You you couldn't hear that. Maybe she'll do it if I walk around. Okay. Look at you! Look at you! Uh-huh. Look at how white she is. She's like piercing white, okay? I'm gonna have to dim this down. No, I don't want to. Guys, this is the finale. You're gonna see what my guinea pig's name is. So first I'm just gonna take off the sandals because I want to. I'm gonna give him some lettuce and some cucumber. Walking up the stairs, walking up the stairs, walking up the stairs, walking, whoa. Turn on the upstairs light. Click. My guinea pig's name is Popcorn! Yeah, his name is Popcorn, the guinea pig. He's knocked over his hay rack, and I'm gonna give him a snack. And I'm gonna give him something to eat. Popcorn. Hey! While he's eating that, I'm going to get him some more water, because he is out of water. So I'm gonna take his water dish out, and I'm gonna take this out because he chews the metal. And I don't want him to chew metal. So I'm gonna put this down, close the gate, and go give him some more water. In on the bathroom floor. Now he has clean water. So I'm gonna open this back up. He's still eating, obviously. And put his metal hanger thing back up. And then I put the water thing in here. Like this. I'm doing it way wrong. Oh, you're in the cage. Get some food! Roadrunner, you're missing it! Whoa, look out!
Bread frisbee.
Whoa! Okay. Bread frisbee! Whoa! Bread catches some air. Ramsey just terrorized his mother. He got her all like hurt. She's got a couple cuts. Please subscribe if you think Ramsey is a jerk. Thanks for watching.